Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now or today, I will be reviewing a novel that's been on my mind ever since I finished it. It's called HUJAN by Tere. This novel is is the type of genre used is science fiction where advanced medical device to manage memories were Lyle at the time experienced the trauma due to disaster and was treated using advanced medical devices that could evoke memory and emotion. Okay, have you ever read a novel that made you unable to stop reading it? Well, Hujan is the right novel for me, and I can't wait to share the reason why I like it, this novel. Okay, a little leak of the review contents tell the story of Lyle, a girl who lost her family due to a terrible natural disaster. Together with her best friend Esok, Lyle learned to deal with trauma in a future world filled with advanced technology, including devices that can evoke memories. In the minds of sadness, Lyle finds new meaning in life through rain, which becomes a memory, hope, and healing from her. For her. Okay. Uh, in this review, I'll give a brief summary of the story, share some of my favorite moments and characters, and tell you who think will really enjoy this book. Okay, transition to main review. Nah, at the time, Lyle lost her family in a major disaster and met Esok, who painfully accompanied her through the trauma. When Lyle decided to undergo therapy to forget the past, Esok knew their memories could be erased. Under the rain, they enjoyed their last moments together, full of love and sacrifice, where the rains become a beautiful but have sad memory. Okay, so if you're looking for next great read, stay tuned as a dive into the world of Hujan. Let's get started. Okay, the novel Hujan tells the story of Lail, a girl who lost her family in a major natural disaster, together with her best friend. Uh, his name is Esok, and from his Lyle learned to deal with trauma in a future world filled with advanced technology, including devices that can control memories. In the minds of sadness, Lyle finds new meaning in life through rains, which becomes a symbol of memory, hope, and healing. From the relationship between Lyle and Esok, there is a deep synchrony, even though it is not always expressed directly. Where the romantic moments that I like are when Esok tries to help Lyle recover from trauma and shows selfless care and support. There are also small moments where Esok calms Lyle when it rains, which become memories and closeness between them. On other hand, the sad memories feel strongly especially when Lyle undergoes therapy to erase some of her painful memories, reflecting how difficult the healing process is after loss. Okay, by the way, I like this novel because it combines futuristic science fiction with an emotional story about love, friendship, loss, and hope. And this novel also makes me reflect uh, a lot on what kind of future is told in this novel. Okay, uh, it's just for me. Thank you for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.